Hey everybody, happy Friday. How's it going? We made it. We made it to Friday, Merrick, Evil Bud, Dimok, Dark Passenger. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, I'm wearing my Fries Quest shirt. Yeah, you can say hi to Fries Quest if you want. Thank you, Kai. You are back from your 53 miles driving. Wow, how was the trip? Did it go well? Hey, Iowa. Thank God it's fries. Friday. Yeah, I wore my... So I traveled today back from Austin, Texas, which is where I had to travel for work. And I wore my Fries Quest shirt. You gotta advertise Fries Quest. Of course, no one knows where to go to. It doesn't say like friesquest.com on it or anything like that. So you're depressed? Oh, I'm sorry, Merrick. Well, hopefully you can hang out with us and we'll give you some company that make you feel better. Oh, Resident Evil 9 got announced. Is it Requiem? I didn't know that. Had some really big downpours through Arizona. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's gonna be called Requiem. That's cool. Well, it was, I did have a good time. I went to school in Austin, so it was really weird riding around in Austin and seeing areas that were brand new, like that were old but new. It was weird. Like all the roads are the same, but yet there's things that, oh, that wasn't there, but that's still there, and that's, so it was really weird. Heavily connected to Resident Evil Outbreak. Well, hopefully, we're going to be doing... Well, we still got a ways before we do the vote. But I think I decided on the vote, we're going to combine the two ways that we have voted in the past. So that we will do a kind of a Google Sheets vote to narrow the huge list down to 32. And then we'll do that. Oh, it was an online multiple co-op game. It's probably not on my list then, if it's online co-op. Or multiplayer, really. As you know, we don't play many multiplayer games on this channel. What else is big news? I guess that's about it. Yeah, I was in Austin, ate a lot of food. I really missed the food the most. Yeah. Yeah, that's too bad. Well, it was a chore playing, remember when I played Section 8, a game that I worked on back in the 2000s, and I had to do some hacking. I had to do some Googling and figuring out how to play it because it required what was it, Microsoft Online or something like that? Microsoft Games Online, and that had all been shut down. The servers were gone. And so someone had figured out a hack way of bypassing Windows games for Windows Live. That's it, Kai. Yeah, no, that was it. Games for Windows Live. And but there was a way to bypass it. So, yeah, Texas barbecue is pretty good. And we had some that was really good. I should put that in the Discord. I sent it to Neil.
It's just roast beef. Look, I'm sorry. Any meat that you don't sauce and you only put salt and pepper on is not barbecue. It's smoked roast beef.
It was smoked goodness. But yeah, let's so we hit with this game, we hit kind of we got to Bowser's Castle and we couldn't go any further. We had to have 50 of the star coins or star medals, and we didn't have enough, and so we had to go back and find some of the star medals to get back up to 50. So we're close to 50, and so that's kind of where we're at now. I assume we'll get past this level. I think we're on World 5 and get to World 6 today, and I think there's 8 worlds. So, guess that's it. As always, we can take a break and play a game like Space Invaders off the arcade machine, but it does not have to be Space Invaders. It can be any of the games on that arcade list right there in chat. And if I beat the high score, I'll put your name on the high score list. All right. What did we beat? Oh, yeah, Indiana Jones. That was cool. That was a score I hadn't beat in a while, and we beat it. All right, as always, we are 3DS games we play on original hardware. And so we are good to go here. Let's play some Super Mario Land. Yes, so I went back to World 5 because I had gotten enough stars that it opened up this world, and we haven't played this world yet. So I thought maybe we could go in here. Oh, this looks like something I will not like. This looks like a level I will not like. Holy shit.
Well, if you're in Texas, you can probably just go get Rudy's, can't you?
Go get what? Rudy's?
He said he's craving Rudy's. I'm like,
Oh, well,
can't
yeah,
you-
I mean, he can go get it. I
can't
did.
you just-
So I had Rudy's breakfast tacos this morning. They weren't as good as I remembered them, but they were still pretty good. Oh my goodness.
Honey, y'all took me to Rudy's, and I was just like, this is not that great.
Yeah, you're a barbecue is only pulled pork person.
No, that's not true. I mean, you can have ribs or...
I have not seen a coin yet.
Nah, man, if it ain't pork, it ain't barbecue.
Ah, here's one.
And it's funny, what I like is not actually pulled. But I can't get what I like anymore.
Oh, what do you like?
Well, they minced it.
Ah.
You could get it minced or sliced. Well, I mean, the fact of the matter is, it's whatever was the cheapest meat wherever you were.
That's exactly what it was.
Um,
It was the cheapest meat wherever you were.
and on the East Coast, beef was never cheap. But pork butts were.
Ooh, that was close. But I did get 3 of the coins. Okay, I see what this is gonna do. I completely missed. Oh, you live in Chicago now? Ah. It's the name Texas Penguin.
Well, that's because of all of those amateur barbecue people who've turned it into something expensive. The problem is y'all exported that shit all across the country. And now it's, now, like, even where I grew up, it's, people are going after that now.
Okay, so we still need to get 1 more coin. I guess we're gonna go here because we missed 2 coins. No, I did not get a Switch 2. Although I was kind of busy, so I didn't really try. Is that a coin?
I wouldn't live in Texas on a bet.
Why? What's so wrong with Texas? It's like a whole nother country.
It's well, I wouldn't live somewhere that cold weather would make the electricity fail.
Yeah.
You know, and the only reason that happened is because they aren't willing to be part of the national grid.
Yeah, there was a deregulation that happened on the power.
And of course the deregulation. Politically, it's completely insane. And it's a pretty dry place. There's water scarcity.
Alright, so we have one more coin that we need to find.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's too hot as well. That's true. But I mean, like many of the problems that are there are here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Florida's not doing too well either. Oh, can I like roll? There it is! We found it! Now we just gotta get out of here. That was luck. That was total luck. I totally didn't mean to fall there and then see that. That's funny. Oh, can I just go up the side of the... I just...
It's funny though that you say Austin's okay.
Yeah.
Like, I've always described it as like an island in a sea of insanity. Although, unfortunately, insanity moved in from California.
Hey, Mr. Mad Mothy. Can I just land on these guys? I can. I can just walk on them. All right, that should be 50. We got 2 out of that one. Yeah, happy Friday, Mr. Mad Mothy. Yeah, they Dark Passenger was just telling us about RE9. It's pretty hot. All right, so let's see. There's a world that opened up here. Oh, Bowser's Castle. All right, here we go. Da da da. Oh. Cox. Go, Mario, go! Oh, that was close. That was close. Oh, man. Oh, that was close too. All right, here we go. Oh, there's a... Got it. All right. Okay, usually these have... That's the goal. There's... Cody's usually around saying... But I guess, you know, it is Bowser's Castle, so... Alright. That was close. Oh! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I got it. The 3D-ness of this is making my head hurt. Uh-oh. Here's Bowser. Now what? Oh, I see. No! Fuck. Crap. I guess I need to not do that. Outbreak with a map that highlighted all the features from Outbreak. Okay. Yeah, I do not have this on 3D mode because I couldn't use it on 3D mode. It just give me a headache. Yeah. Agreed. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Oh, I thought I got something ahead of that. Oh, I must have fallen into the stuff. Into the stuff, you know. The stuff. Hey, who live in Square. How's it going? We are back. And we are taking on Bowser. We'll move over here. You're not helping me, Bowser. I got him. I got him. Hey, Flame Baguette. I don't think we saw where the other one was. Hey, Summon Bear! Welcome, everybody. How's it going? What were you up to? Welcome, everybody. You're playing Painted Grail, The Fall of Avalon. Welcome, Raiders. I'm Jay Fries, retro variety streamer. Currently working on Super Mario 3D Land. And yeah, playing a lot of retro games. Gonna play Wing Commander. You ready for Wing Commander? Wing Commander. I have my strategy guide all ready. Thanks so much for the raid. So yeah, if you're not familiar with my stream, we play a lot of retro games. We play a lot of series of games. We're working our way through all the Mario games. And oh, the ads. All right. And we play arcade mode and we play Fry's Quest. I'll wait. How complex is Wing Commander? I don't think it's very complex. I'm just worried that it's a little janky because it's old. So that's what I'm worried about. Yeah, so we're not going to be playing this. I got it on GOG, so we're not going to be playing this version of it, but this is a box I still had. It was like the Kilrathi saga, so that's Wing Commander. Says it down here. Wing Commander 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, I'm just worried that's going to be a little janky. Yeah. Yeah, and then I have a strategy guide. So we won't worry about that. Well, we'll look at it if we need to. Hey, Summoned Bear, thank you so much for the raid. They're rustic. There you go. They make you. So when I played, speaking of Super Mario 3D, when I played Super Mario 64, it made me appreciate how far cameras have come in video games. How much better cameras have gotten over the years. It's so much better. Janky SEH, exactly. So we're also going to be playing, after we play Wing Commander, we're going to be playing Super Mario Brothers 2, and then Doom. But yeah, thank you so much for the raid. You're cool with, I think I remember from last time, you're cool with me playing a clip, right, Summoned Bear? Got to get into some Mario Kart. So I guess, did you get I have not gotten the Switch 2. I was out of town. I guess I could have in Austin gone, and it's tough when you're on a work trip to go. I gotta go get a Switch 2. You know, so That's what I did. All right, yeah. Here, I'll try it, and we'll see what happens. All right, here's a clip from Summoned Bear. Y'all should go give him a follow. Boop.
I don't know if you could call what I do boot scooting.
It is the same. It's the same clip from last time.
I'm sure it's entertaining. I'll tell you that much.
It was the same clip. Anyway, go give Summoned Bear a follow. Go do it. Do it. I know. I should have gone, but it's okay. Well, we'll see. What I don't like is waiting in line and then you don't get one. And so I'll get one eventually. There's not really a game to play on it yet. I will definitely try and get it for Metroid Prime 4. I am looking forward to that. And then, yeah, that's really the biggest one. The new Hyrule Warriors. I definitely want to play that one too. Yeah, I saw that. GameStop stapling the screen. That was awesome. Yeah, the enhanced version. Peach taking things into her own hands. I want to stick on the screen and see if it. How do I get it to switch into 3D mode? Oh shit! I didn't do it. Oh. Uh-oh, this looks like underwater. Oh shit. Who gave these Goombas tails? Shit. Yeah, how was Super Princess Peach? This will be interesting. Jump scared me. Oh, the last one hit me. I didn't see any coins. I wonder if the coin is up here. No? That's where I would have put it. That looks... Kick the rock into the thing and get a 1-up. I love it. That was awesome. Swimming in this is so awkward. Ah, there's the coin! Well, that was the second coin, not the first coin. Oh, I guess that was just for getting that coin. Oh, that was close. I missed it. For 4 emotion statuses. Interesting. Alright, so we missed a coin. I'm not going to worry about it. We're going to keep going. Oh my. Had to get the coin. Okay. Looks like I need to get here. Ah! Okay, I have an idea. Maybe. See, this looks suspicious. Oh! Ah! Boo. Crap. Whoa. What is that? Mario hat? I was like, I see lights flashing. It's a me. Requiem for a plumber. Alright, we gotta go back and... Oh, shit. Okay, we're gonna try that backflip. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, look at that. A 1-up. How? I guess we could just fall here. Oh my god! That scared me. Okay. I'm like, screw this. I don't care anymore. I ended up getting 2 coins. Not too bad. Exactly. There is a certain level of panic in Mario games that I get. Oh, another Boo House.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. Exactly. Well, it makes you think it's Q*bert, but it's not. Oh, fucker. I'm gonna run out of time. Ah, I missed it. I guess I have. It doesn't stay there very long. No. Okay, looks like I have to go up here. Okay, good. We got some extra time. Oh no. Oh my goodness, I thought I fell. Yeah. Yeah, that was fun. Don't forget to take a break. Oh, I messed that one up. All right, here we go. 6-4.
Let's go.
Oh, they have spikes. Oh, I see. You let them miss and then... Oh, wait. That's all I wanted to do is get that coin. Having not gotten coins, I now see the importance of getting them. Is it up there? I think I saw it. Oh. Oh, okay. I think I can get up there. Hold on. No. I didn't want to... I did not push a button. You just have to get next to the door, I guess. I was just trying to do this. I can't... There we go. Just some clever wall jumping. Oh no. Go. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Hey, Zach, how's it going? Did we get all 3? Nope, 2. Oh, we have enough for at least this one this time. You beat this level? The beep of my heart monitor. Oh, is that snow?
Let's go.
It is snow. This is the music I thought sounded like was it the Faron Woods from Zelda? Yeah, I haven't seen any coins yet. Oh, I didn't see him. I thought I got all of them. Making me sick. Missed it again. Wow, we got none. We got Yeah, this is the one on the 3DS. It is different than all the others. Remember, all the ones on the handhelds were called Land, and all the ones on like the consoles were called World. And so they kept that naming scheme. Yeah, exactly. I did not like that.
Let's go.
I kept thinking I was gonna fall. Oh no, hurry. Finally. Not getting that one. No. Oh my god. Oh, of course. How am I supposed to get that? Oh my god, fire? Really? Crap. Missed. Well, it's tough when they won't give you level ups, you know? See, there's where the 3D screwed me up right there. That was too... Yeah, I didn't know where to go because the camera wasn't going fast enough. I don't know how to get that. Oh, come on. Again, the 3D screwed me up there. Oh, come on. That's how you get it right there. But I don't have any... Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it with no... Yeah. I should have kept going. Should have kept going. I think I have to wall jump there, and I didn't do it. Well, at least we got Raccoon Tail for this fight. Oh, crap. Oh, see, don't jump in the fire. Wow. Oh, no, we won't use it. At least not yet. If we're so close. I hate the auto scroll here. Oh, fuck. They're waiting for the camera to catch up. Fuck! I think that's what gets me is when it's the 3D that gets me, and it's not the you know, it's just not lined up very well. Shit. Wish there was something at the end here. Maybe I should look for a hidden. Yeah. Well, that doesn't really help me with the fight. Oh man. Obviously more Diet Coke is needed. That was close. I mean, I'll take the one up. Don't get me wrong. Hmm. I died. I died. Yeah, always getting that one up will always negate the death, which is good. But fuck! I was so close. I was so close. Oh, and a P-wing, a golden P-wing. It's like, will you please just take the help? Is what it keeps saying. I'm like, no. I will finish this on my own.
This seems like an incredibly impractical.
Shit. What were you saying?
These things pushing out and pushing back.
Oh, yeah.
There's nowhere that there's not enough room in any of these boats for them to extend that far. It seems like an incredibly impractical thing to do.
Yeah. Come on. Ridiculous. This is already hard enough without the fire. Why did they add the fire? Why did I do that? Where am I now? I was just in too much of a hurry. Crap. Got her. Wow. Oh, good. The fire turned off. Oh, man. I was like, I don't care. Well, I kind of learned her pattern of when she was in a turtle. And so that's kind of what helped me there. All right, World 7. Oh, the letter's coming with a raccoon tail. Oh my. Once shake. Tanuki mail. Oh, look at Bowser in the background. Come on, shake. I want to see it shake. How do we get it to shake? Turn it 3D. Here, this is what happens when I turn it 3D. There you go, Dark Passenger. Is this under? Oh, this one's underwater.
Let's go.
Oh, look, we're right at the end. Why wouldn't they give us at least mushroom? That's all I was really after was that. This looks like something. Oh, I thought I was gonna do something. I was gonna say, they're gonna be like, why would anyone do all that? I was hoping for a star coin. Or medallion, whatever they're called. Uh-oh, they're like, you're almost out of time. Shit. Now where? Nope. Oh, crap. Ah! All right. Can you go down these? Oh, fuck. Ah! Ha ha! No! You don't want to jump. Why would you do that, Mario? Why would you do that? We got 1 coin. In fact, game telling me to take a break. That's what we're going to do. Nintendo looking after my well-being. Don't want to lose battery power. I thought Mario was good at working the pole. They have that meme where, like, I think what in Target they have Mario on a pole and you see people holding money up to it. Hilarious. All right, exclamation mark join if you want to play some Fry's Quest. Here we go. Lemon Square is going to unlock it for us.
We're fresh out of lore.
Has much better height. He works the pole at night. He is ghost hunting. Ah, okay. That makes sense then. Alright, if you played last game, you can now join.
Ready? What do you mean I need to be ready? And where's the cheese? Where's the cheese for these fries that I ordered?
Ready for action.
Anyone else want to play some Fry's Quest?
Ready for battle.
Have fun storming the castle.
Why didn't it hold that? Alright, I'll be right back. See you in a second.
having a special today. On nothing.
Ready? What do you mean I need to be ready? And where's
Ready
the cheese?
for
Where's
action.
the cheese for these fries that I ordered?
Ready for battle.
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Ready for action.
Good luck. You'll certainly need it. Stay a while and listen.
Ready for battle.
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Ready for action.
Give him hell, kiddo.
I am back. Hey, Arcade Bear, and look who won.
Did I win the fry? Rigged.
Did I win the fry? Look at that, Arcade Bear 20%, Lemon Square 41%. And who got it? He's always claiming it's rigged. It was your time. Is that how it works? I don't know. This level looks a little scary to me. Oh, I thought I could hit him. Oh, fuck, it was totally not worth it. Oh, shit. Oh, come on! The 3D tricked me. Oh my god. I do like how the flag, oh no. Oh my god, no. Come on. Shit. Sometimes that just takes patience. And that all patience. Yeah. That's what I wanted. Oh my god, no. No. I say no. I love how they had the coin. You could just barely see it. Oh, it's regular coins. I thought it would be the big coin. Oh, we already have all 3 big coins. Or was that, or was it and I just wasn't paying attention? Oh, I missed it. Yeah, we did it. We did pretty well there. What's it gonna give me? Can you go around? Yeah. Oh, that just leaves. Oh, we don't have enough, do we? Yeah, we need one more coin to do that level.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. The level design in this has been crazy. Oh no, I don't like falling. The rotation, I hate it. See, no, I don't want to fall. No, the 3D is too hard to do shit like this. Man, how are we gonna get that? I can't believe we did that. Shit. Shit. Why couldn't they have a gear down there? Time to do clockwork. come on! Yeah, well, here's what it looks like. Like here, I'm gonna try playing it in 3D. Oh my god. This is making me sick. There you go. It didn't work very well. Didn't really help me much. No, we won't use that. I mean, how about you make the level not so crazy? I hate infinite falling levels, so this is like... Oh, thanks for picking up the death counter, Dark Passenger. I think Evil Bud went to bed. What am I doing wrong there? Am I doing it even too... I must be doing it too early. Because I tried to do it even earlier that time. Yeah, I guess I was doing it too early. I must have to go out here. Thank you, Richard. 49. No, 53. 53 months at tier 1. Subscribed for 53. Wow. Thank you so much. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good Friday. Do I need to go in this one right here? Fuck. Oh, come on. Come on. Just had dinner? Nice. We went out to dinner. The Mexican restaurant was really good. Okay, so I learned here not to do that, I guess. The people. There was too many. It was crowded and we had to wait. I don't like waiting for a table. That wasn't good. Fuck! What the fuck? I am hating this level. And it's not because... It's just because of the stupid perspective. And that's, you know, that's what I say about game design. You don't want it to be, you don't want people to feel like it's the game's problem. You want to make it feel like it's their problem. The girl serving in the local... Yeah. Nice. That means you're a regular when they start doing that. We've had a few places like that. We don't go out as much as we used to. Just because eating out sometimes can be pretty expensive. Guess I'm just gonna jump that other direction. So I'm wondering if I'm even jumping far enough. I think the perspective is what's killing me there. Maybe it's not a perspective thing. Maybe it's just a distance thing. Yeah, I think it was a distance thing. Maybe I just need to jump from thing to thing. Yeah, see, that time I could see the shadow as I missed it. Crap. think I can reach that. Oh. Oh, I see. Yeah, see, sometimes this perspective stuff is not good. Hmm. Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. Oh my goodness, I'm only halfway through. Shit. I was concentrating so hard on that. Fuck. Where does that go? I think that goes back. Oh my god, this is driving me crazy. Good thing I have a lot of lives. I have like 70 Marios. So I'm not too worried about like running out of Marios. This is why I don't like the 3D. Right? Too much of a gimmick. Shit. Well, yeah, that's not saying a lot. Less deaths than lost levels. You think I should make it in 3D? All right. Well, here it is in 3D. Y'all aren't gonna see it in 3D. I don't think it's a 3D problem. Death 69. I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care. I think we got all 3 coins, though. So we can go back to this one.
Let's go.
Let's go. I thought they were gonna. Yes, you can't jump on those. Boo. Oh, right into the fire. Right into it. Shit. I have 69 Marios. I hear you, Toad. I don't see you. You up there? Thanks. That was very helpful. But thanks. Shit. Crap. No, no, no. Oh, shit. That didn't matter. Hey, Oceanic. Man. Okay. World 7. I'm sorry. Level 7-5. Yeah, I'm doing alright. Is it gonna saw off that edge and it's gonna fall? Oh, of course it is. I thought it was gonna give me something. It's like, don't stop to smell the roses. I hate falling levels, by the way. I wonder if that was a mushroom right there, too. Shit. Fucking A. Really? Why would you do that? Why would you have that there? Why? take that. Oh, of course. There's a saw at the end of it. Oh my god, they have tails. Get me halfway there. Living on a prayer. Koopas! What was I supposed to do there? I guess not go for that. Not go for the time, I guess. Really? That time I didn't jump. Do I need to slow down? Am I dying too fast? Here, I'll pause it for a second. Are we behind? Do I need to wait? Are we at 79? Behind by 1. That's what I thought. Are we at 79 now? All right, let's do it. Do it. There we go. That was a... They have definitely gotten harder. Did I get all 3 coins? Or 2, I think. 2 out of 3, right? No, I got all 3. Alright, another time for another ship. 7. World 7. Of course. Oh, wow. I don't believe it. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Oh, there's two of them. Oh my god. Oh god, I was so close. Man, that was so close. Hold on, pause it. That was so close. That was so close. I was feeling good there. I don't care about that last coin. It's too bad I didn't have the boomerang here. My strategy was good, though. Well, so much for strategy. Oh, crap. I shouldn't have run. So close. Oh, come on. That sucks. Can't it just walk on there? Hey, Dr. Ben! Welcome, everybody! How was your stream? Were you doing your podcast? There we got it. There we go. Just chatting. Welcome. How's it going, everyone? I hope you are having a good Friday night. I'm Jay Fries, wearing my Mario hat, playing some Super Mario 3D Land on the 3DS. I'm a retro variety streamer, play a lot of retro games. We're going to be playing Wing Commander. Can't wait to play Wing Commander. We're kind of getting close. We're in almost the World 8, which is the final world, if we can just beat this ship here. And we play games off my arcade machine. It's the new 3DS. That's true, too, Texas Panda. It is new 3DS. And, yeah, we play a game I wrote called Fries Quest. So I hope you'll stick around. Thank you so much for dropping in. I hope you've been doing well. All right, we're going to continue this. This has been a little bit of a thorn in my side right here. This jump here. Whoa! I jumped. I think I jumped a little too far that time. You know, these don't have halfway marks. These ships. Which I guess that's cool. Shit. I knew that was gonna happen. Then I'm just gonna get a mushroom instead of a boomerang. Here we go. I saw it coming. Where am I? That's my problem sometimes is missing the just not having it lined up correctly. Oh, I missed him. Yeah, let's see again. The 3D can sometimes be hard to judge. I guess I have to go fast there and get him. I was like, because I was blinking, I lost sight of where I was. Did you get that one? Let me know if I need a pause. I'm dying too fast. Sometimes the death counter can't keep up. See, that's what to do there. Oh my god. All right, here we go. We're going in with Boomerang. That hurt her? I don't think Boomerang hurts her. I mean, it is. She's glowing red, but it's not like the same. In 3D! Oh, man. Yeah, that was not easy. All right, here we go. On to World 8. Last world. Uh-oh. Bowser on his throne. Princess Peach in a cage. Very classic.
Let's go.
Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. That's what I was hoping. Oh, come on. I thought I could hide behind that. I guess you had to aim above it and then kind of curve in. Got 0 coins. Or 0 medallions. Star medallions.
Let's go.
Put shit in the things. Really? Hey, Profongo, how's it going? What's up here? I almost jumped off into nothingness. This. Oh, that's that. Happy Pride to you too. That was close. Oh, that was evil. That was evil too. Holy crap. Why be so evil? Why? I don't have a Switch 2, but we got a new 3DS. There's really nothing, you know, that I want to play on it yet. Definitely once... Shit. Definitely once Metro Prime 4 comes out, I will be all over that. Metroid Prime 4. It's another game I'm looking forward to. There's a new Hyrule Warriors. I really enjoyed the Hyrule Warrior games. What's this to do here? I think I'm supposed to jump. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Why would they do that? Oh my god. Why are they doing this to me? I think we're almost to the end. There we go. Woo! Yeah, exactly. There really isn't anything that I want to see. Age of Calamity? Yeah, that was good. Did we have 80 coins here? We have 82, so we can play it. Probably gonna get to the end and it says, you need 100 coins.
Let's go.
Why are there so many bubbles? Ah! I didn't see that wrench coming at me. I didn't see it. Actually, let's pause. Let's pause for a second. Let's play some Fry's Quest. Exclamation mark join if you want to play some Fry's Quest. We're making a lot of headway here tonight on this game. Maybe we'll finish it. And then we'll start Wing Commander tomorrow. You have to join. You can't be just ready. You're ready to play. I get it.
These weapons are guaranteed to bring honor to your
Hey, Shipwreck. And you have to be ecstatic about joining, so you have to do exclamation mark join. I hope everyone had a good week, and happy Friday to everybody. Happy Friday.
For battle.
I am also glad it's the weekend. I'm ready to sleep in my own bed. I left on Tuesday and flew to Austin and flew back today. So you get Wednesday off too. I have taken Wednesday off because Neil, thanks Oceanic. Neil's getting his colonoscopy on Wednesday, and so I am going to be on driver duty. So I figured I'd just take the day off. It's exclamation mark buy
Of capitalism.
4 and then the number you want to buy. So if I wanted to buy 3, I would do it like that. Except I screwed that up. It's I4. Buy I4 3. It's like I don't know how to do my own game anymore.
want fries with that? Well, too bad.
There you go. Soon with the new, when I introduce classes, it's been changed to buy fry, by the way, because there's going to be more potions.
Have fun storming the castle.
So I'm looking forward to sleeping in my own bed tonight. All right, I'll be right back.
You know, there used to be another shop around here, but he died in the dungeon. By
I'm
accident.
ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Ready for battle.
Today is a good day to fry.
Ready for action.
You buying that? You're braver than I thought. Have fun storming the castle. welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go?
Ready for action.
Ready for battle.
Diet Coke is an addiction, not a healing salve.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Shop's closed. Have fun counting sheep.
Hello. How's it going, everyone? I can't believe y'all got 6 platinums. Didn't do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eee. Victory! I guess Lemon Square. I guess I should say I'm surprised y'all got 6 platinums and y'all don't have 8 players. You must have a lot of high level players. Y'all do. That makes sense. You did it! What was this? 37%. Nice. Nice. Alright. Let's get back to World 8-3. Which was just a special that I opened. Here, let's pull this guy. Oh, I don't have a tail. No, I should have waited till it turned around. Boop. I booped him. Thinking I need to do this. Oh no, this is gonna scare me. Oh man. It's probably going to be gone by the time it comes back around too. It is. Gone. How terrible for me. I like how he threw a coin. Oh no. Is it gonna go the other way? Well, I finished it. Yeah, we're on World 8 now. Did we get any coins? I thought we got like 1 coin. We did get... Oh, it's a boo house. It's a boo house.
The boos always freak me out just a little bit
Why?
because their tongue sticks out.
They have tongues?
They have tongues, and I'm always thinking like, is it going to lick me?
Right. Why can't I jump over those? Fuck that. No. It lick you. That's what that tongue does. Neil has lick phobia.
There are a bunch of things that gross me out. I don't know why.
There, I got it. Shit. I should have saved it. Fuck. I was moving too fast.
You'll come back to that checkpoint, won't you?
Yeah. Well, that's true. That wasn't that far away. Boy, I missed the... I missed the star that time. Looking at y'all. Oh wait, these are just other go. Oh, fucking hey! I thought that was the shadow of the. I thought that was the shadow. Well, maybe I'll get the star this time. You kind of jump further and faster when you are starry.
Starry, the most unoriginal name for a soda ever.
Yes. There we go. Yeah. I think you may be mute. Yeah, you are.
Oh, yeah. Because, like, when you jumped on the flagpole, it was like 5,000 points if you hit the top.
Yeah, you get. Yeah, exactly. That wasn't very fair now, was it? Fuck. I feel like they put things on those just so that you'll do shit like that. Shit. Rap. That's what I wanted. I should have gotten hit that first. Oh, so close. That was so close. That was so close. Man. Uh-oh. Look at that. We don't have enough coins. Gotta have 90. We only have 88. Alright, so let's go back to World 3. And we don't have any coins from this one, so...
Let's go.
Alright, got one. Let's say it's a good thing we don't drown in this game. No, can I kill him? Ooh, I can. Yeah, I keep thinking if you're gonna kill him, then there's gonna be something in there. Alright, that was the third one, not the second one. I wonder where the second one was. How many? I don't even remember how many we needed. 90? The minimum. I assume this will be similar to... Great. Oh, can I not go that way? It was like acting like I couldn't go that way. Obviously I was supposed to. See, that's... It's not... Oh, there it goes. Ah! Go, go, go. Go, go, gadget. Oh no. Asshole. Up over here. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, really? Man. I don't know how I did that. Oh, fuck. Wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that. Oh, I didn't realize there was a halfway. That's good. Maybe they took pity on me. Shit. Watch out. Oh, that was close. Now I think, I think what you can do for this one is just do that, yeah. What was over here? Oh yeah, it was just that. Alright, here we go. Rawr. Fuck, I was trying to get that. Oh, now I'm not gonna have it. Grr. They got me. Fuck. It's funny because I wasn't sure if that lava was gonna insta-kill you anyway. And I guess it does. Oh, I almost jumped into the lava. That was close. I always forget about that. Hoping I could get like something. Oh, that tail. Man, he just comes out of nowhere and gets you. Gonna get you. One way or another. We're at 99. Oh, I thought I got him. Guess I didn't. Oh, I got the other one too. Off screen. I jumped. Jumped. Did. Oh, he got me. I gotta forget that. You know, I gotta remember that tail swipe. I think part of it is just kind of avoiding him. Like, is there an alternate way to get past them? There seems to be. Oh, fuck. All those times I tried not to get hit by him. And I got hit by him. See if I can avoid his tail this time. I just ran right into him instead. Still got the tail. I gotta be close. Of course he did. Ah! I think I landed on his boomerang there. That was close. Oh, I know how to get that now. Okay. Hey, Cass, how's it going? It's going well.
On this date, in 1984, the very first version of Tetris was made in Russia.
Of Tetris?
Yeah. I would say his name, but I would butcher it. That's the name.
Yes, I would butcher that name as well.
He was, I think he was a computer scientist.
I just didn't want to get hit by that.
Oh no. The mayor found somebody with the same purse she had. I didn't know two people could have that bad a style. I don't think I've ever seen this. At Naples Beach, they had a bear in the ocean.
Oh, wow.
It was like swimming to cool off.
How do you get past that part? Yeah, the tail keeps getting me.
Tail is gonna get you.
The tail is gonna get you tonight. Do, 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 do. Now jump. Fuck. I keep forgetting that. And I don't know how I'm gonna get past this. Hey, Lemon Square. Yeah, we are on the final castle. me. You got me. Oh. I died quickly. I died from the boomerangs. Nice. Happy birthday, Lemon Square. Hey, Murray. Good morning. Whoa, that was close. What is... Oh, crap. Here, let's... Fuck! I was trying to go fast. You're officially a year older.
Too bad.
Yeah, it happens to us all. Sometimes it's just hard to time to see I jump over him instead of on him because it's hard to tell to judge the distances. You're still 25? You don't age? Amazing. Had no idea. I was like, oh, I gotten this far without getting hit. Fuck. Patience, exactly. Just a little patience. It's Bowser. I get all like flustered. How am I supposed to get past him? Can I? I guess I don't want to. Patience. Got him. Poor Bowser. Poor oh, the cage is open. Okay, I was worried. He does not deserve lava, I agree. I knew it. Where's he going?
Is he fart flying?
That's what I thought he was doing too. I thought he was fart flying. See, there's one more. And I think, you know what? It's getting late. And we're gonna have to save it. Oh, in fact, there's two. It looks like 2 more levels. Oh, no. This is... Yeah. Alright, well, let's, save and quit. If that was gonna be the final level, I was gonna say, alright, we'll do this. We'll stay up a little bit later. And then it's like, oh, this isn't the final level. So, yeah, we'll finish this and then we'll start Wing Commander tomorrow. Yeah, it looks like we're really close to the end. I know, plot twist, I should have known that it was going to be the final one. Well, thanks again, everyone, for being here. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, and on Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I will be back tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern. That is 8 p.m. Ireland time, or Greenwich Mean Time. If you can't be here live, go check out YouTube, youtube.com/JFriesTV. And thank you to all these wonderful, lovely people, my subscribers. They get ad-free viewing, all those emotes, look at all that. They get extra golden experience points on Fries Quest. Thank you to my lovely and wonderful husband, Neil.
You're welcome.
And thanks to Evil Bud, Flaming Baguette, and Pass VGC for modding. I don't know why it's saying Flaming Baguette. It's because I'm tired. If you want to check out our Discord, chat between streams, there's our Discord link. See you fast. There is our raid messages. First one if you are a subscriber, second one if you are not. Let us check out who is out there. Ba, 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 da, ba. Lone Hero. I don't know what that is. Is there someone I'm already following? Turtles and Chill.
If you can't find someone, Kurt's playing Elden Ring.
Yeah, I think that's where we're gonna go. Cause I'm tired and I don't think I can, like, think about it. Actually, he's playing Fortnite.
Oh,
I can see what he's playing.
His thing says Elden Ring.
Yeah.
Maybe it didn't update.
Maybe he hasn't updated
doesn't
it.
always-
Well, no, I don't know what's going on there now.
Sometimes the
Actually, I think what it is
list
he has a
channels.
Fortnite plugin, and it's showing me that while he's playing Elden Ring. So there you go. All right. Thanks again, everyone, for being here. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow. Elder Fortnite. Yeah, I count Elden Ring Night. Anyway, thanks, everyone, for being here. Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys. Have a good night.
Love you all.